Hi, today we're going to make this Argentine bread that's called Pebetes. First you will need to dissolve 1 tablespoon of yeast with 2 tablespoons of sugar, and we slowly add 1 cup of warm milk. You mix it until the yeast dissolves, and then you just add a little more milk until you finish the entire cup. Then you just add 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of oil. You continue mixing, and when it's blended, you add approximately 4 cups of flour. You add the cups of flour one at a time, stirring. You add the other one, you stir until you will form a dough. Once you have that dough, you just place it on the counter and you start kneading it. When the dough is ready, when it doesn't stick to your fingers anymore, if it's too sticky, you can add more flour to it. And if it's too dry, you can add a little bit more of warm milk until it's more or less like this. Then we place it back in the bowl, we cover it, and we let it rest for around an hour or 2 hours, depending on the temperature where you're living at. Here it's winter, so I left it 2 hours. When 2 hours go by, it has to be like double in size, and you just poke your finger and a hole will be left. So we put it on the counter again, and we knead it, take out any air that could be inside the dough. And then we make our pebetes, would be like making little logs and placing the edges. You fold them under the log, and there it is. You place them one near to the other one. And if you don't want to make these little logs, you can make round bread. So you just stretch the dough and then grab any cookie cutter, a cup, a glass, whatever round thing you have, and you just cut it and you place it on an oven pan, and you let them rest again until they rise, more or less an hour. And when they're more or less like this, you place in the oven. It has to be a hot oven for 15 minutes, and then you just wait until they're golden brown, and then you grab a stick of butter and you rub it on the breads. If you don't want to do it directly with the butter, you can melt some butter and just brush it on. But this is fine if the bread is still hot, because it melts immediately and the bread absorbs the butter. So if you guys like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. It's free. Activate the bell so you will be notified when I upload a new video. And give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave it in the comments if you have any questions, or if you made them and you liked them. So try them, because they're absolutely delicious. It's great to make sandwiches with ham and cheese. Here they use them a lot. They're called pebetes, and it kind of has like a sweet taste, a very light sweet taste, and they're so spongy and soft. You guys will really appreciate them. So thank you for watching, and bye. See you soon.